Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the world of art, offering endless possibilities for creativity and commercial success. NFTs, stock photos, and other digital artworks are rapidly becoming all the rage, while opening up new avenues for art lovers to become overnight millionaires. And all they have to do is create a stunning piece that captivates audiences while commanding significant value in the market. In this video, we'll be exploring how to make money by creating and selling AI-generated artwork, alongside some of the best websites to sell your designs. So be sure to watch the video until the end. Let's get started. We've all seen videos online of people claiming that they went from having nothing to millions after selling their NFTs, or getting an airdrop, or even selling photos and other things that they didn't really have to put in much effort for. Which begs the question, how exactly did they get started? And how the heck did they find the M&Ms and other top-rated clients to sell them to? Well, you'll be surprised to hear this, but selecting a niche is the first and most important step in creating AI-generated art for commercial purposes. It sounds too easy, right? Get this, it's easier said than done. But by looking into the most popular art concepts in the digital market, you can find a lot of lucrative business opportunities. You can also make use of Google to search for inspiration and narrow down your options. All you have to do is search for the most popular image in your niche in the stock marketplace, and you'll come across various articles and blog posts that can help you choose an art type that's in high demand. While there are many free AI art generators available online, it's important to keep in mind that many of them don't provide a commercial license, which is why most pros would recommend that you avoid using them for commercial purposes. Instead, you can use platforms such as Midjourney or AISO Art to create and sell AI-generated art legally. Today, we'll be discussing more on how you can make use of AISO Art to create digital artworks for commercial purposes. And to put the cherry on the cake, it turns out that AISO Art provides commercial licensing to all its artists. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the AISO Art homepage and create an account. You can either sign up directly while using your Google, or sign up through your email account, but it would be faster if you used Google to log in. Once you've set up your account correctly, go to the website, click on the type you want to pick. There are some templates for creators here. Pick the one that meets your wants the best. For example, I picked the Open Journey model because I want to make art that looks very real. A filter can be added after the model has been chosen. Click on Choose a Filter and pick the filter you want. It's now time to enter our question. You can use AI to help you come up with prompts if you're not sure how to do it. For this minor practical, we're going to make use of Gravity Write to come up with prompts. Click on Start Writing for free on the Gravity Write page. Use your Google or email account to make an account. You'll see a number of tools on the left side panels. But firstly, you need to choose the Image Prompt tool. You can choose between AI art and logo creation. Afterward, all you have to do is click the AI art tool. You'll be shown various ideas, but you can search for a prompt or something related to whatever you're trying to sell. For example, you might type, "A bear is dancing." After that, you can add the subject's action by inputting the time and day of the setting. And finally, pick the type of art. Press the Create Content button when everything is ready. You can adjust the size of the picture on AISO Art by pasting the prompt. Pick the size of the picture and click Generate. It will take a while to make the picture, but it's worth the wait. There you have it. Now you can see the picture. It's really cool. All you have to do is download the image. But there's one major question. After you've finished making your digital artwork, how can you make money off it? Well, you're about to find out. For photographers or creators interested in making money from their work, there are several online platforms available to sell their photos. Let's check out some of the best websites to showcase your artwork and sell your images, along with some essential tips to help you increase your earnings. Getty Images. There are just way too many reasons why you should use Getty Images to sell your digital artwork. From having increased chances of being discovered on Google search engines, to getting more inspiration for your art, Getty Images is a giant in the stock photography industry, providing digital artists with a massive platform to showcase their work to thousands of buyers. The variety of licensing choices available meets the need of different tastes, whether it's the volume-driven strategies of micro-stock outlets or the premium pricing of the stock picture sites. Alamy. Another tool for selling digital artwork that has become incredibly popular in recent years is Alamy, famous for its large collection of photos, graphics, and videos. Alamy also has an easy-to-use submission system and flexible commission options. Whether they're seasoned pros or up-and-coming talents, this adaptability appeals to true professionals in the art world who are looking for worldwide exposure. But that's not all. It also serves as a great tool for beginners due to its easy-to-navigate platform. Shutterstock. Thanks to Shutterstock's worldwide network, millions of clients have access to a wealth of media, including photos and music. But most importantly, they have access to your artwork. Artists in the fields of photography, videography, and music have a lot to benefit from Shutterstock, especially when it comes to its referral incentives and attractive payment system. 500 Pixels. 500 Pixels is another incredible platform that allows digital artists to upload and display their work before selling it. Since 500 Pixels has a lot of like-minded members who are highly interested in artwork, you can easily get through one of its 15 million contributors while earning yourself some sweet cash. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is not just one of the best tools for selling your artworks, it's also one of the best tools for creating your digital artwork. This top-tier tool makes it easier for producers of all skill levels to monetize their work. Adobe Stock allows users to sell their images directly through customizable e-commerce widget. This solution is appealing to both professionals and fans because of its automated print fulfillment and pricing flexibility. Etsy. Etsy offers photographers more than just a location to sell handcrafted goods. It also gives them a platform to sell prints and digital downloads of their work, offering artists a one-of-a-kind opportunity to connect with a wider audience. It provides them with a fully customizable storefront and powerful marketing tools. Your own website. What if I told you that you could make some money by making and selling AI stock pictures on your own website? Artists have complete control over their digital project when they own their own photography website. You can easily maximize your revenue potential without third-party deductions by using content management systems like WordPress or website builders like Hostinger to develop unique platforms to promote and sell your artwork. Put an effort into getting pictures that are both visually appealing and shot in a way that makes them stand out, so as to make your portfolio more discoverable and appealing to potential customers. And don't forget to optimize the titles and descriptions of your images using relevant keywords. You can also increase your exposure and sales potential by showcasing your work, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your online portfolio through the use of social media channels. That's all for today's video. Which of these platforms is your absolute favorite when trying to sell your AI-generated stock photos? And which site do you make use of to generate them? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, click on the bell icon for instant updates on AI-related content. Have a great day, and thank you all so much for watching this video.